Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mixed berries smoothie. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of mixed berries, either fresh or frozen, and 1/2 cup of your preferred liquid, like milk or juice. For a creamy texture and natural sweetness, add 1/2 of a banana. A tablespoon of honey or maple syrup can enhance the flavor. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. Begin by blending on a low setting to break down the larger pieces, then gradually increase the speed. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no visible chunks of fruit. If it's too thick, simply add a little more liquid. Want to make your smoothie even better? You can easily customize it. For an extra protein boost, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. A tablespoon of chia seeds provides healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Don't be afraid to toss in a handful of spinach. You won't even taste it. Feel free to experiment with other fruits too. Once your smoothie is perfectly blended, it's time to enjoy. Pour the vibrant mixture into a tall glass. For a nice touch, you can garnish it with a few fresh berries or a sprig of mint. It's best to serve and drink your smoothie immediately to experience its optimal flavor and texture. Remember to clean your blender right away for easy cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.